Hey, hello everyone. This is Pramod Shyam from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I am graduated from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, in Electronics and Communication Engineering stream. Throughout my BTech career, my aim is to get placed in a core company. But I didn't got any due to lack of professional knowledge, pre-professional knowledge, and lack of opportunities. So I started my search for an institute which has which give basic and advanced practical and theory knowledge and plenty of opportunities. So I got to know about Varsity through one of my friends, and I joined here for postgraduate diploma in embedded systems and development course, which is a 5 months course, and have covered modules like C, DS, ARM, and CAN. So in my first ever opportunity, I got placed in Great Wall Motors, which is one of the best OEMs. So I thank my parents for believing me, and my trainers who taught me, and the Cranes Varsity management who had helped me to get placed in a best core company. I thank everyone. Thank you.